Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a short unboxing and a little presentation for a new Bosch Professional cordless driver. Is a GSR 18V-65. This is the model. So this is a simple box. It comes without the battery. Battery and charger is not included. This is on a 18V platform. This power tool delivers 63 Newton meter and or 31 Newton meter. Have two speeds, 0 to 550 rotation per minute or 2100 rotation per minute. It is from and is a brushless motor. And also this tool comes with a new feature which is called KickBack control. Is an automatic shutdown, reduce the risk of sudden tool rotation. And this function can be switched off. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. As usual, we have the manual. And let me show you the tool. It comes in a plastic bag, and this is the little monster. I like it because it's short. You have space in small places to work. The quality is very good. We have rubber here, is a quality rubber. Here also we have some rubber. We have from here we switch the direction. Here we have 20 setting for control. It feels very good. It feels quality. This is to 13 millimeters. Is a Bosch Professional GSR 18V-65 model. Is made in Malaysia. My tool is fabricated in month 11 2025, and here we have two speeds, speed 1, speed 2. I have around here a battery, is the new battery, 18V, 4 amps lithium, is from Hampshire line. Good. This is the speed up, this is the speed 2. This is my short presentation and unboxing the tool, the new cordless drill driver. We have here a small light, and here we have the button for kickback control. Look, stop, the LED is red, the LED is flashing, and if I unhold the button, is normal. We can test it again. So look, stop. This protects your hand from damages. Let's check it on the other speed also. Also is stopped. Again, stopped. Works very good. Is a new function of this tool, and I like it. I'm waiting to test it in direct on the site to see how it's operating. So here is kickback control. This is a new feature and I like it. And for this budget, I think is a very good tool. A good quality and a good price from professional line. See you next time.